channel. Welcome to Cookies Cat. My name is Catherine. Thank you so much for watching. Well, today I'll be showing you how to make beef or lamb stew. A very simple recipe, favorable for the whole family. Well, we're going to begin, but before we do, please kindly, if you're new here, kindly subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell. Also, please like and comment and give your reviews. They are very important. Let's begin. Thank you. My olive oil. Okay. Please add in your meat. Give it a little mix. So you realize that the meat produces some water, so let's let it simmer for some time, and once the beef starts to brown, then I'll start adding in my other ingredients. I always like to begin with garlic because it gives it a little bit of flavor before adding in anything else. Then you now add in your onion, cut and spice. Give that a mix. Before you add in anything, please wait for the onions to first soften up. They don't have to become brown, but they have to become softer before you add in anything else. In that the flavor, the onion flavor and the garlic flavor can blend in so well into the meat. Green onion. I want it to be as flavorful as it can be, so I'm adding on all sorts of ingredients. So here is the green pepper. I'll add it in, and then I'll add in the parsley. Okay, I can add it all at once, no problem. Then I'll give it a little mix. I love the look of it. I want to eat it already. It looks very colorful, right? Now I'm going to add in the tomato paste. I didn't use tomato since I'm using the paste, but if you want, you can add in some tomato, and also you can add in anything else you want. One cup of water, okay, or water or anything you call it. I'll give that a mix. Okay, see, it's not burnt or anything, so ow, that's hot. Ow. So yes, I'm going to use 2 cups, but I just wanted to add in the water before I add in the potato. Alright guys, maybe you're wondering why I'm using unpeeled potato, but it's fine, it's alright. These are baby potatoes. They are really washed and clean. If I use bigger ones, or if I peel them up, then they're going to make the whole stew a mess. So it's much better to leave them like this and then add them inside. Okay? I am adding in another cup, okay? Yes. Just like that. Give it a little mix and then leave it to simmer. Like really simmer for around 30 minutes. Because it has potatoes, they have to cook. It has It has, this is hot, I always touch it. It has carrots, it has the beef, so everything has to cook. So add in my salt, don't think I forgot that. Alright guys, I'll put that to simmer for 30 minutes and then I'll get back to it and see how it turned out. But I believe it's really going to be yummy and healthy. Yeah, let's wait 30 minutes later. After 20 minutes, please remove the cover and let it simmer without being covered. It's been 30 minutes, so I have taken off heat. It's really cooked, well cooked, not too much soup. Yeah, the sauce is just perfect. The potatoes are perfectly cooked and still in shape. The carrots, everything is just perfect. I'll be serving this with rice. You can choose to serve it with matoke, with ugali, with anything, just anything. But for this moment, I just have rice. So I made Turkish rice. I'll serve with this amazing stew and let's see how it turned out. So I'll take a bite and let you know how it turned out. It's actually very nice. The carrot. Very flavorful. And the potato. Wow, perfect. It's actually cooked. And yeah, you can eat it with the skin, no problem. It doesn't kill. Very nice, yeah? And then I'll taste the beef. Perfect. So it goes so well with rice, in other words. So, thank you for watching guys. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to like and comment. I love you very much. God bless you.